In this video I'm going to show you how to install Fermata Auto on Android Auto. So the first thing we're going to do is I have a Huawei phone, as you can see, and we're going to settings. Then on settings we're going to security. And on security we're going to click on more settings and we're going to install apps from external sources, and we're going to give Google Chrome access. Then the next step what we're going to do is we're going to Google, and Google we're going to this website. We're going to github/smichelsa/AAAD/releases. Also a link to this site will be in the video description. Then it brings us to this page and we're going to click on AAAD 1.51 and then we're going to click on release.apk. And we're going to click on download. Then we're going to click on install. We're going to click on open. And then also need to give this app AAAD permission. Then we're going to click on Fermata Auto and we're going to click on OK. We're going to press on install. And we're going to click on open. And we're going to click on allow. Okay, so now with Fermata Auto, what you can do is you click right here below. Then right here we have YouTube and there you have web browser. So as an example, if you click right here on YouTube, it takes us to YouTube. Then if you click right here to web browser, it takes us to Google. So as an example, if you would like to watch Netflix, what do? So you just type in Netflix.com and then right here we're gonna click on Netflix. So on Netflix. So how do we connect Netflix to Android Auto? So how are we going to do that? So right here we have a cable. So if you look on our phone, the car is a Hyundai, and right here it says connect a phone projection device via USB. So right here we have USB cable. What we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the car. The other side of the USB cable we're gonna plug into the phone. Then what we're going to do is we're gonna click right here on the buttons, and right here it says Fermata Auto. So we're gonna click on it. And right now we're on Fermata Auto, guys. So right here, if you click on the web browser, we're going to Netflix. Now enter email address, guys, and that's how you go to Netflix. And if you click right here on the YouTube button, that's how you go to YouTube. Then we're going to our phone and we're gonna click on desktop version. So right now we're in desktop version, and as an example, we like to see Mr. Beast. We're gonna click on it. We're going to click on videos, and as an example, you would like to see, would you risk dying for 100,000 euros?
Would you risk burning alive for $500,000?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, good luck, man. You're braver than me. This is gonna be crazy. This man is literally in a burning building. Oh, there's fire on the door. The entire room's on fire. Oh my gosh, this is the craziest thing we've ever built. And behind him is fire.
Okay, yeah, so this is how you install Fermata Auto on Android Auto.